at last we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now the things go wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, keep me close, never let you go. Give me your love, keep me close.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this makeup look for this upcoming Saraswati Puja, and as Devi Saraswati is the goddess of arts, so I tried really hard to come out of my comfort zone, and I tried to create something new and very colorful and artistic for you all. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I am using this Mcaffiene Silver Glow Gel as my primer. This is a little tacky, so it's really good as a primer. After pressing it nicely into my skin, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And I'm dotting this foundation all over my face. And after that, I'm going to blend it out using a stippling brush. And then I'm going to use my trusty Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation in the shade 02 as my concealer. And I'm going to highlight all the highlighted areas of my face, like my under eye area, my nose bridge, chin and forehead. And I'm going to blend it out using the same buffing brush. And now I'm using the Johnson's Baby Powder, and I'm baking all the areas where I have concealed. And now I'm contouring my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead using this Mist Clear Mono Eyeshadow in the shade 0209. And it's a really nice cool toned brown color, which is really good for contouring. And after 2 minutes, I'm gonna dust off all the bakage from my face. And I'm going to blend the powder all over my skin. And now I'm taking a little bit of the contour product onto a smaller brush, and I'm contouring my nose a little bit. And now it's time for the blush, and I'm applying a really nice pinky blush on the apples of my cheeks. So our face makeup is almost done. So now I'm gonna do my brows, and yeah, I fast forwarded it. If you want to see a brow routine, then please let me know. And now we are starting off with the eye makeup. So first of all, I have applied a really nice matte orange shade as my transition shade. And after blending it out really nicely, I'm going to take a blue color. This is also matte blue color. And I'm taking these colors from my Hilary Rhoda palette. And I'm creating a shape, like you can see that which kind of shape I'm creating on my eyes. I'm not blending the eyeshadow yet. I'm just creating the shape. And then gradually I will blend it out. So I have blended out the blue color, and now I'm taking a shimmery orange color. This is very vibrant. Okay. And I'm going to apply it on the center parts of my lid. And now I'm going to apply a violetish purplish color on the outer corners of my eyelid. And I'm making sure that the transition of the orange and the purple color looks seamless. So after I am happy with the pigmentation, I'm gonna apply a golden eyeshadow on the inner corners of my eyes to highlight it. And now it's time for a nice winged eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply a quite thin winged eyeliner today because I want all the attention to my eyeshadow. And guys, it's really late at night, so I'm really blank. I'm really sleepy. So I don't know I make sense or not. And after I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply a little bit of kajal on my waterline, black kajal. And I'm using the Maybelline Super Black Colossal Kajal for this. I really love this kajal. And now I'm taking a blue kajal from Avon and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm not making a thick line, I'm just making a medium thick line. Yep. After I'm happy with the pigmentation, I'm gonna move on to my lipstick. So for my lipstick, I have used a non-branded lipstick. I really don't know the brand. I just got it from New Market Esplanade for 100 rupees, and it's really pigmented and really nice, really creamy as well. So I'm just gonna apply it, and I was like, it was looking a little too much, so I have applied a little bit of powder over it so that it becomes a little bit more mute. So yeah guys, that's it for this look, and I hope that you guys are gonna like this look. And if you have any video requests, then you can comment below. I would love to do that. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it's totally free. And don't forget to press the bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you can get all the notifications whenever I upload my next videos. So yeah guys, bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye, take care and stay happy.